everybody, let's talk some math. Okay, on my desk here I have these manipulatives. These are actually called base 10 blocks, and these are called a 10 long. That's a lot of 10s going on in those statements. Let's see why they're called a 10 long real quick. That would be because if I count the individual squares, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cubes or squares in this long stick. So we're going to call it a 10 long. That means that each one of these is worth 10. Okay? Today we're going to be learning about strategies for multiplication using a multiple of 10. So I want to show you a multiple of 10. This is a multiple of 10. This is the same as saying 1 times 10. I have one group of 10. This is a multiple of 10. So this multiple of 10 is 10. If I add another one, now I have two groups of 10, which is the same as 2 times 10. And how much is 2 times 10? Well, now I have 20. So 20 is a multiple of 10. If I add a third one, now I have 1, 2, 3 groups of 10. 3 times 10 is 10, 20, 30. 30 is a multiple of 10. And we can keep on going until we run out of numbers. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 10, which is the same as saying 6 times 10. And 6 times 10 is 60. So 60 is a multiple of 10. On your page on Class Kick, it's asking you for the first 9 multiples of 10. Well, you'll need to write those in there. What are the first 9 multiples of 10? It's already given you 10, 20, and 30. So what are the other multiples of 10? Well, I have 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 groups of 10, which is the same as saying 9 times 10. So these are multiples of 10. And we can do multiplication problems using multiples of 10. And you can do them using base 10 blocks, which is what these are, or you can do them using a number line. If you don't have base 10 blocks at home, that's okay. You can say, all right, I might not have base 10 blocks, but I'm going to say that 1 crayon is worth 10 cubes. So if I have 1 crayon, that means I have 1 times 10, which equals 10. So 10 is a multiple. Uh-oh, I have 2. That's the same as 2 groups of 10. You can use anything you have at home to represent your 10 long, okay? Whatever you have is fine. If you need a visual or something that you can actually put your hands on and use, then find something. A marker, a crayon, a piece of pasta, anything that you have at home that's going to remind you this is a group of 10. Okie dokie? So, groups of 10, like this, that would be 1 multiple of 10, which equals 10. When working with multiples of 10, you can also use a number line, which is what this is, to help you multiply by multiples of 10. So, if I was going to say, okay, I need 3 groups of 10, well, on a number line, I could say, all right, I'm counting by 10 on my number line. So if I start at 0, I can go 3 groups or jumps of 10 to get to my answer. So 3 groups of 10 is 30. That's where it stopped. So that's how I get those. Whenever you've been given a problem, let me show you the one you're going to be working on today. Here's the problem that they're going to have you answer today on your first page. It says Best Care Veterinary Clinic offered free pet care classes for 5 days. Aaron attended the pet care class for 30 minutes each day. How many minutes did Aaron attend the class? And then they're going to want you to use a number line. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's say that we have the number or the problem. Let's go 5 times 20. Let's say we need to figure out 5 times 20. Okay? Well, 20 is a multiple of 10. It's the same as having 2 groups of 10, right? So I can count by tens. I know how to do that. So when I'm looking at a number line, if it's asking me to do 5 times 20 on a number line, I know that this is my first 20. How many jumps did I have to make to get there? 1, 2. So if I count 2 more, and then 2 more, and then 2 more, and then 2 more. Why am I counting by 2s? What made me go there? Well, this right here did. 2 times 10 equals 20. So I need to jump by 2 groups each time. So if I'm going to multiply 5 times 20 on a number line, I would have to jump 20 at a time. So there's 1 jump, 2 jumps, 3 jumps, 4 jumps, 5 jumps, and I end at 100. Why did I only go 5 jumps? Because of this number right here. Okay? This is how we use a number line to show our work for multiplication problems when we're using multiples of 10. If y'all have any questions, please let me know. Make sure you do the interactive lesson.